This is the recipe everyone's searching for, the gelatin trick. 3 ingredients, a few minutes, and a drink that helps you feel fuller and steadier before your meals. I'm going to show you the exact amounts, the right way to make it, and the one timing detail most people get completely wrong. Let's make it. Here's exactly what you need. 1 tablespoon of unflavored gelatin, unflavored, not the sugary colored kind. 1 cup of warm water, warm, not boiling, because boiling damages the gelatin. And 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. That's it. Optional, a squeeze of lemon if the taste is too sharp for you. Step 1. Sprinkle the gelatin over 2 tablespoons of cold water and let it bloom for 2 minutes. You'll see it swell and absorb the water. Step 2. Pour in the warm water and stir until it's completely clear, no lumps. Step 3. Add the tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, stir again, and add your lemon if you like. Now the part most people get wrong, when you drink it. You want this about 20 minutes before your largest meal of the day, not during, not after. It needs to be in your stomach before the food arrives so the fullness and the blood sugar support are already working when you start eating. Get the timing wrong and you lose most of the benefit. A few tips to get it right every time. Always unflavored gelatin. Flavored is loaded with sugar and defeats the purpose. Never boiling water. And stir thoroughly so it doesn't gel into lumps before you drink it. Done right, it should be smooth and easy to drink. Here's the honest catch though. The recipe is simple, but doing it every single day, before every big meal, blooming and heating and mixing and timing, that's where almost everyone gives up within a couple of weeks. And a recipe you stop making does nothing for you. So here's what I actually do now. Instead of mixing that drink daily, I take 1 gummy that gives me the same apple cider vinegar support, plus BHB for steady energy, in a single bite. No blooming, no heating, no timing, no vinegar taste. It's called Gelatin, and it's the version I'll actually keep doing every morning, which is the whole point. It's made in the USA, stimulant-free, and backed by a 60-day money-back guarantee. Try it for 2 months, and if it's not for you, full refund. No risk. The full written recipe is pinned in the comments so you can save it. And if you'd rather skip the daily mixing, the easy version's linked below with that guarantee. Like and subscribe for more. See you next time.